Džeko is around here. He's a big target too. It didn't quite reach him. Now that cross finds its way to Eddie Johnson. Johnson trying to dribble and in trouble, and Džeko is through. The flag is down. Howard out to meet him. Džeko, second time of asking. And Bosnia and Herzegovina strike early. But it was defensive suicide, really, by the United States.
Because now you lose it, immediately the ball's right down your throats, and Džeko does a wonderful job of timing that run. He stalls his run that half a second. Tim Howard does a good job. Now, Howard is furious right now because Brooks and Cameron have to do a better job of getting to that end line and doing anything they can to stop this rebound.
Yeah, nobody was there to pressure Džeko, were they, for the rebound after Howard had made this initial save.
But Adrian, watch, he does the first job, but that's where the retreat has to be a little bit quicker from Brooks and Cameron.
Fifth corner for Bosnia. Near post, oh, and the bullet header. It's Vedad Ibišević. And Bosnia are 2 goals to the good.
But now the second ball, Adrian. So the first ball's dealt with. Ooh, I'm not sure he's not offside here.
Close, wasn't it?
Extremely close, but what he does a good job of is look right across that line and find where Fabian Johnson is. And then this is a simple finish for a player of his caliber.
The man who went to Roosevelt High School in St. Louis, who spent a year at St. Louis University. To Evans is Brooks. Bradley looking long, great run from Altidore if he can get there. Surely the US back in it. Eddie Johnson has done it, and the United States have halved the deficit here in Sarajevo.
11 against 11, and we saw this a couple times in the first half with Josie trying to teeter on that back line. If Eddie Johnson's not up front, he's not here to finish this ball. Great run from Josie just to get any kind of touch on that, but because they are in a 4-4-2, Eddie Johnson's right there. United States right back into this ball game. How about that ball from Michael Bradley as well?
Put it on a dime, didn't he? Perfectly placed. Right into the stride of Altidore, whose soft touch teed up Eddie Johnson. Well, you wonder with the arrival of Clint Dempsey in Seattle, is Eddie Johnson gonna have to play that role? Is Josie Altidore! Josie has done it again! He is a record breaker, 5 goals in 5 games for Altidore, and the United States have turned this around.
Opportunity, which is right here, one-touch finish. There is no doubt in Josie Altidore's mind that this ball is not hitting the back of the goal. That is a confident striker. And when Fabian Johnson is in the final third more consistently, good things happen. Great finish.
And a lot of activity on the edge of that wall as well, as Josie Altidore stands over it. 5 straight games with a goal already for Altidore. Now a Carlo! Yes! He's done it again! Josie Altidore! And the United States have come back from 2 down to lead 3-2 in Sarajevo.
He's taken everybody on. Really? Any questions? Calm, cool, collected over that free kick, no doubt about it. That hits the back of the net, and the U.S. is up 3-2.
Stunning, simply stunning from Altidore.
I mean, when was the last time you saw Josie Altidore take a free kick?
And you said it even with the first goal. Well, you have to credit the tactical changes, and could it get better? Yeah, it's Josie Altidore, the hat-trick! Josie Altidore having one of the games of his life for the United States. 3 goals in this second half, and Jurgen Klinsmann's team have turned this completely around. What a result this will be.
And Michael Bradley makes a 30-yard run off the ball. He is the 2nd or 3rd run coming out of the midfield. Sasha Kleshin does a wonderful job of just getting a touch on it. And Josie Altidore times that run slows it down perfectly so he's onside. And how about a hat trick?
How about a hat trick? Josie Altidore has upped his tally to 20 career goals. We'll be able to tease the very best out of Altidore as this cross comes in. Oh, the flicked header reminds us that it's not quite over yet. Heading Džeko with his second of the game.
And a lesson for John Brooks at the international level. A class striker can just lull you to sleep, and it's just a little 2-yard run and a touch. John Brooks will learn as he plays these games more and more, but the second you get caught ball watching, a player like Džeko makes you pay.